Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about how a price verification scanner works, from scanning a product barcode to showing the latest price and item details. First, the process starts when a customer or store worker approaches the price verification scanner and presents the item barcode in front of the scanner. In some cases, the user may also press a scan button to activate the device. Next, the scanner reads the barcode or QR code printed on the product label or packaging. To do this, the device uses a laser beam or imaging sensor to capture the barcode pattern. Then, the scanner detects the reflected light or captured barcode image. Because black bars and white spaces reflect light differently, the scanner can identify the barcode pattern accurately. After that, the internal processor decodes the barcode pattern and converts it into a digital product code. This code works as the item's identification number inside the store system. Once the code is ready, the device sends it to the store's POS system or inventory database through a network connection such as Wi-Fi or Ethernet. This allows the scanner to check the live store database for updated information. Next, the system performs a price lookup. It finds the item record and gathers details such as the product name, current selling price, promotional discount, stock availability, and sometimes the shelf or aisle location. Then, the scanner displays the result on its screen. At this stage, the customer or staff member can see the item name, exact price, discount or promotion, and sometimes extra information like location or stock status. Finally, the device gives confirmation that the process is complete. It may show a success message on the screen, display a check mark, or make a beep sound to indicate that the item information has been retrieved successfully. Moreover, price verification scanners include important parts such as the scan window, display screen, speaker or beeper, processor board, network module, power supply, barcode reader sensor, and outer housing. Overall, price verification scanners are commonly used in supermarkets, retail stores, pharmacies, and warehouses. They help customers verify prices quickly, reduce confusion, check live store data, and show promotions and product information in a simple and convenient way. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.